This is a device called Cavaterm. This is used to destroy the endometrium using pressure and heat. So this device has a catheter which is disposable, as you can see here, which adjusts the length of the uterine cavity depending on the size of the uterine cavity. And this measurement we'll have to take, that is the total uterocervical length, which is taken as A, and the cervical length, which is taken as B. So these are disposable catheters. So here we adjust the size of the catheter between 4 centimeters to 8 centimeters, that is the length of the uterus. And we place this catheter inside the uterine cavity. So there should be a tight snugly fit thing between the uterine cavity and the catheter. Only then the pressure will build, and only then the heat will be uniformly transmitted to the endometrial layer. So this is how it is put inside. So this uterocervical length we can check either by hysteroscopy or by either the uterine sound. And now we are fixing it with the catheter to the central device. So this is the central device which will maintain the pressure and also the heat. So if once we press it, we can go to the next step, where we have everything on the digital screen here. So the syringe we use, which is provided with the catheter, and it is connected to this port here. We use 5% dextrose to instill the balloon which is there at the tip of the catheter. So once we push the dextrose, we can see here the fluid is coming out. That means we have not perforated the uterus. So we go to the next step, where we start distending the balloon. So the same solution is used. So we start pushing the solution. You can see here that the balloon is getting distended here, and once it touches all the walls of the uterus, then the pressure will start building up. You can see that the pressure now is about 112, 113. So we keep till 150 we push with the syringe, and then we start using manual, that is the turning movements, to build the pressure up to 230 to 240. So the target pressure is 230 to 240 here, and then the temperature should be about 70 to 80 millimeters of mercury. You can see this is the sound that we hear once the temperature starts building up and the machine is ready. So here the pressure always should be between 230 to 240, and this is how you can see that the fluid which is boiling inside the balloon there. This is a novel method which has been there in other countries, but now it is available in India. So the catheter is a disposable one. You can see here the pressure is now 240, 250 almost. So we'll have to take out little dextrose from that syringe, because the pressure always has to be between 230 to 240, and if it crosses 240, it will show a red light, or the values will be in the red. So the temperature always has to be between 70 to 80 here. So this whole procedure will take about 10 minutes, and once this time is over, then the machine automatically stops by itself, and it will give the average pressure here was around 230, 232, and the temperature throughout the procedure was 75. This costs around 50,000, including the catheter and all. The machine costs about 16 lakhs. So this is available as a pay per use.